We have seen over the last 18 months, we have seen tariffs being escalated from the first 50 billion, then 200 billion, and then another 110. We have another 160 billion sort of hanging in the horizon of December. But what happened was in May this year, with Huawei and its companies being put on the entity list, I think that may have been a catalyst to show that actually the dispute on the trade front has spread to other areas like technology. And unlike the tariffs and so on, which are at least on the U.S. side, we're referring to IP protection and referring to the bilateral trade imbalance. But for technology, and especially in the Huawei case, is really about, on the U.S. side, they talk about national security. Once you mention that, I think it's very difficult for any politician to say, I don't care about national security or something like that. So it's going to be difficult to actually reverse. And I think at the moment, even with a phase one trade deal or a complete trade deal, our conviction is that the tougher restrictions on technology from the U.S. will continue.
All right, so let's talk about that, and let's talk about the economic impact the trade war has had on China, because so far it seems as though it's been manageable. There has been a slowdown, and indeed the trend is a lot lower than it was a year ago, but Chinese authorities don't seem to be panicking.
Right, so the slowdown we have seen over the last 2 years, in 2018, and quite a bit of that was because of the so-called deleveraging policy of China. And since then, especially since early this year, as the tariffs escalated and so on, so more of the hit is coming from the external side. The authorities, I think, are putting in more policy easing measures on fiscal tax cut, more spending on infrastructure, some monetary easing as well. So they have been able to try to stabilize growth. We're still seeing the growth slowing, and our forecast for this year is 6.1, for next year 5.7, assuming the December hike is still taking place. But I think we will see stabilization around there. So I think the authorities understand that facing such a big external shock, they probably have to accept a bit slower growth with some policy easing to stop the hard fall.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.